नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol preparation of elixirs. Preparation of elixirs is very important topic for the pharmaceutics practical. This practicals belongs to the pharmaceutics practical for the B Pharm first semester. So the elixirs is very important. So the elixirs is very important preparation for the some types of throat infections and all other these things. So the firstly today firstly today um, today's topic is the to prepare and submit for the pharmaceutical elixirs. Pharmaceutical elixirs is very most important preparation. So, so the elixirs are very uh, diluted and liquid preparation. So the today's aim is to prepare and submit elixirs. Firstly, what is the use of apparatus? Beaker 250 ml and measuring cylinder 10 ml and 50 ml measuring cylinder and spatula and glass rod. Uh, an elixirs is a clear, sweet and flavored liquid used for medical purpose to be taken orally and intended to cure one's illness. When used as a pharmaceutical preparation, and elixirs contain at least one active ingredient designed to be taken orally. So firstly, what is the types of the elixirs? Non-medicated elixirs. They are used as solvent or vehicle for the preparation of medicated elixirs, aromatic elixirs, and isoalcoholic elixirs, or compound benzaldehyde elixirs. Active ingredient dissolved in a solution that contains 15 to 50% by volume of ethyl alcohol. Medicated elixirs, antihistaminic elixirs used against allergy. Chlorampheniramine, maleate elixir, diphenhydramine, axial elixirs, and sedative and hypnotic elixirs. Sedative induce drowsiness and hypnotics induce sleep. Pediatric chloral hydrated elixirs. Now, expectorants used to facilitate productive cough and cough with sputum. Terpene hydrate elixirs are also used for the sputum and some throat infections. So the miscellaneous acetophenamine, paracetamol elixirs, which are used as an analgesic. So the daily non-alcoholic, non-caffeinated vitamin drinks have been popular to East Asia since the 950s with the Oronamine from Otsuka. Pharmaceutical, perhaps the market leader, packaged in brown light-proof bottle, these drinks have the reputation of being enjoyed by old men and other health-conscious individuals. Counterparts exist to South Korea and China. So the firstly, an elixirs is a hydroalcoholic solution of at least one active ingredient. The alcohol mainly used solubilize the active ingredient and some excipients, retard the crystallization of sugar, preserve the finished product, provide sharpness of the taste, and aid in masking the unpleasant taste of the active ingredient. Enhance the flavor. The lowest alcoholic quantity that will dissolve completely the active ingredient and give a clear solution is generally chosen high concentration of alcohol give burning taste to the final product. And elixirs may also contain the following excipients: sugar and sugar substitutes like the sugar polyols, glycerol, and sorbitol. Preservatives like paraben and benzoates, and antioxidants like butylated hydroxytoluene and sodium metabisulfite, and buffering agent and chelating agent like sodium, and flavoring agent and flavor enhancing and coloring agent. So, what is the storage condition of the elixirs? Elixirs should be stored in a tightly closed, light resistant container away from the direct heat and sunlight. So, the what is type of the material used in the preparation of elixirs? Alcohol, talc, glycerine, and compound orange spirit. Compound orange spirit is 12 ml and syrup 375 ml and talc 30 gram. So alcohol and purified water and each. So an elixirs is a clear sweet flavor liquid used for a medical purpose to be taken orally and intended to cure one's illness. When used as a pharmaceutical preparation, an elixir contains at least one active ingredient designed to be taken orally. Medicated elixirs are solution of active ingredients in water and alcohol along with other excipients such as preservatives, and they are used either as vehicle or for the therapeutic effect of the medicinal substances that they contain. So firstly we discuss about what is the preparation of this practical. Add the compound orange spirit sufficient quantity of alcohol to make 250 ml. Add to this the syrup is several portions, agitation vigorously and after each addition, and then add in the same manner the required quantity of purified water. Mix the talc with the liquid and filter through a filter wetted with diluted alcohol and returning the filtrate until a clear liquid is obtained. So the possible uses: pleasantly flavored vehicle used in the preparation of many elixirs. Chief objection to its extensive use is the high alcoholic content, about 22%, which at time counteract the effect of other medicines. So that we can decide into the remarks. Compound orange spirit is used to ensure a uniform proportion of the several oils, that is orange, lemon, coriander and anise. In every lot of elixirs, the alcoholic solution are also preserve the delicate flavor of the orange and lemon for a considerable time. So this is the complete session and complete protocol of the practical. So this digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.